Hi, so we have come to the end of our journey. We are leaving this fabulous place. It was lovely while it lasted. Did you enjoy your stay, my darling?
I love it.
There we go.
Awesome.
Yes. And we are making our exit out. Take off the security there so they know we are out. Yes. We are gone. It's so beautiful. We took you guys on everything. Hope you guys appreciated that. That was phenomenal, wasn't it, darling?
Yes, it was. I'm going to miss the encore.
We will be back.
Oh, we will be back.
We will be back, yeah. So let's go and take this long, arduous flight now. Is it the flight we're taking now? No, it's not the flight. We are heading to our timeshare. Checking in our timeshare.
The next destination.
So we're heading to our next destination. I thought we were leaving today. No, we are not. So when we get over there, we will show you guys what that is all about. Right, darling?
That's right. Zoomed it on me, huh?
Darling, it's on you, sweetie, not you.
It's not about me, obviously.
I love to mess with it. Have a great day, my dear. Loved every moment of it and will do it again. Are we gonna go over to concierge or why there's concierge? No, not a problem. We're going back to where we came at the beginning. Hi guys! Your girl is so excited. Am I excited for leaving? No, not leaving. I'm excited for the next part of our journey here in the Las Vegas area. That is what I'm excited. We have to go to that long line?
Yeah.
No, we don't. We're gonna try. This here is one of our timeshares, so we are about to try something totally different. Let's go. Honey, are you kidding me? Is that there in check-in?
That is chicken.
Oh my God, Polly. Vegas is like a madhouse. Look at it. Oh. What are we doing here? This is the line. Look at the line, guys. This is the line. It extends like forever. Look at the line. Look at all of these people. This happens to be the Westgate, guys. This is the check-in process. This is where he wanted to bring me for the second half of the journey. Today, this is your fault, darling. Have a great day. Yes, same to you. Yes. So here we are after 20-something hours of checking in. We are now entering up to the what floor?
The 23rd
We're
floor.
going up to the 23rd floor. Let's see what this extravaganza is going to be like. This is where he took me, guys.
We gotta try different.
Okay, so here we are. What is our room number?
108.
23rd floor, room 108. This happens to be us, you guys. Guys, you know, your girl love to take you guys to some really exquisite, simple, sometimes upscale places. Today I'm taking you to the Westgate properties here in Las Vegas, and this is where I'm going to be staying. I'm staying on the 23rd floor, room 108. Come with me, guys. I love to take you to some properties where you guys can see some affordable places, some places that I like to visit, my husband likes to visit, and today I'm staying here. I want to take you inside so you guys can see what this property looks like. So guys, this is the room that we are staying in. I wanted to show you as you enter. This is an entrance. They have this little table here with an ice bucket so you can get the ice that is outside as provided to the room. As you can see, it is a king suite that we are staying in. This happened to be his and her one large bed. Must say it is like a studio. It's like a studio apartment. I wanted to bring this guys so you guys can see. If you're ever interested in staying at the Westgates, this is what the room would look like. There you go. We are looking onto the strip. And once again, as I said, we're staying at the Westgates. So if you're ever in the area and you're looking for an affordable room, this is the place that I think you can stay. There we have a work desk. So in case you're in town and you have a quick business meeting, that you're still able to perform, or you're still able to take calls and still able to conduct some business as well. We have this lovely standing lamp, and the curtains close as well for your privacy at night. We have this seating chair right here, guys. So if you want to relax, there are also some end chairs at the end of the bed. We also have this flat screen television that is onto the walls, and then we have the armoire at the bottom with 3 drawers and 2 opening so it does open. Let me see into a refrigerator. There we go. So there is a refrigerator in it. It's empty, of course, so if you wish, you can purchase some stuff and bring that up to your room. There is the safe in case you want to put some of your personal items. You would like to leave it locked, you can put your personal items in there. You can use your card to access the safe, as well as punching in your own private PIN. As I said earlier, we have 3 drawers in the middle. So if you wish and you're here for a long period of time, that you can just lay out your stuff in these drawers. Come back around. There is this lovely standing mirror that you can see yourself as you are leaving the suite. Then if you turn to your left, that happens to be the bathroom. Let me take you inside the bathroom to see what it's like. This is the bathroom, guys, at the Westgate. They have this fabulous mirror. It's pretty small, real standard towels and stuff like that. It has 1 sink here. Oh, there we go. Dryer. And on this side is another drawer to pack away some stuff. They give you some goodies like shampoo and conditioner, as well as some body soap and stuff like that. 2 rolls of toilet paper. And then here is the shower. It's a stand-up shower, guys, as you can see. Oh, it has the rainfall shower head. That is beautiful. My husband is going to enjoy that. And then there are the other showers for the ladies as well that can be adjusted to your height. One little seat, but this is how the bathroom looks. Let me take a step out so I can give you guys that entire panoramic view of what that bathroom looks like. And then out here, as you come out, these lovely mirrors that is so beautiful. from the ceiling to the floor, the mirrors. We also have an ironing board, an iron, an extra pillow inside, some hangers to hang your clothes if you're interested in that, and then we have the tray, the food tray that they normally come and leave your food or your luggage. You can place on there as well. And then as I come back around here, it takes me out to the exit door. We also have this privacy for your locking at night, where you can lock your door, and we also can lock it this way as well. So guys, there you have it, guys. That is the room that we are staying here at the Westgate for the remainder of our trip. What do you think of it, honey? It's pretty small, guys, but I must say it happens to be one of their upper signature rooms, the newer ones here at the Westgate. Guys, I am so excited I was able to bring this to show you guys. My husband is over there. I think he's resting for the rest of the day because he's a little bit tired. But I wanted to do this room tour before I even came in. I hope you guys like it. If you're ever interested, you can also stay and ask for one of these type suites that looks onto the strip as well at the Westgate. So if you're ever in this area and you're thinking of staying somewhere that's a little bit more modern, that not too expensive, this happens to be one of the rooms that I think you guys will be interested in as well. Well, without further ado, guys, as I love to say, don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this room tour brought you some sort of value. If you found value in it, guys, share a girl out. Share Queen Polynation out so that other people who may be interested in coming over to the Westgate can enjoy this room as well. I think it's a really nice one, guys. As you can see, to stay in, it's not that expensive, and it was really nicely. It's modern, very modern. It also has, to my right, there is another door, as I said earlier, that is adjacent to the suite. I think it opens out into another suite. Just in case you may have company, you can open it and a family can stay over there, and your family can stay over on this side as well. And as my husband did, he did a video. We put up a video on some tools that we use when we are traveling to protect our side of the space. So I'm going to put a link here, a card, and I'm also going to tag that video down below so you can see, in case you are ever at a hotel like this with a lot more people in it, how you can protect your own self in your suite. Once again, let me just give you a quick panoramic view of what you are going to be having if you decide to rent this suite here at the Westgate. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. Next time you are at the Westgate, tell them that QP Nation, Queen Polly Nation sent you. Love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour that I showed to you guys on today. This again is the Westgate's properties. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.